guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, if you've been around this channel, you know I love to do prize giveaways. I like to give back to the viewers, you guys, as far as, since you do watch my videos, to throw out some free stuff, right? Whether it's BMW apparel, free parts, gift cards, money. I try to do as much as I can when I can at the right time, so that way you guys get something back in return in a way, something cool and something at random that I like to do. I've done a few of those as far as just at random, right? Just, hey, the first 5 people that comment on a video gets a free Bluetooth thing for their car, so that way you can stream audio. Just very simple stuff, but it's just on the fly. And I like to give away those kind of things to the viewers just because it's just something cool. Well, in this video, I need your help. Now, as we get to 30,000 subscribers at the end of this month, I want to do yet another prize giveaway. Down in the comment section below, comment as far as what you think a good prize would be. Now, I'm not going to just pick just one. I like to get like a nice little package together, whether it's a gift card over here or a certain part over there, and just kind of put it all together and say, here's the prize. We'll go over those details as far as how you're going to win that, but I'm trying to get all that stuff together because I want to order all that, and I just want to have it all ready so that way I have it and I can just ship it out. I don't have to wait for it to ship and all that kind of stuff. Now, as we get closer to that, I'm going to be closing on my new house here next month. If you haven't seen the walkthrough of that, I go through my house just so you can see all the rooms, the garage, all that kind of stuff. I'll post that video up at the top. Looking forward to that. It's moving very fast. A few new updates from that video, so I'm going to be sharing that here soon. But they're working like 7 days a week to try to get it done. I'm, of course, in a temporary location, as you've seen in some of my other videos. So I'm looking forward to being in that new space, all those new BMW DIY videos, and a bunch of other stuff that's going to come from that. Well, guys, it's as simple as that. This is where I need your help at. We'll pick a bunch of things, try to put it all in one. If you see a comment down there as far as a suggestion that you're like, hey, that's something I would choose, just go ahead and like it down below so that we have it. And then once we have like the kind of trend as far as what a good prize would be in a way, right, to give away, then we'll make that decision, and then there we go, we'll have our new prize giveaway all ready to go, and then we'll talk about the details as far as the prize in general. Well, guys, I really do appreciate you coming in, watch my videos. Almost 30,000 subscribers, which is crazy to think. That starting the channel over 2 years ago, that I would be here today, and I wouldn't be here without you guys watching my videos as you're doing right now. Of course, sharing the videos, telling your friends. It's always great to have an impact on you guys as far as like money saving DIYs. That's truly why I do this channel and why I like it the most, to share that information, right? So outside of DIYs, you got informational videos. I just like for everyone to be in the know because I feel like you'll have a much better ownership experience on this platform here. Well, everyone, it's easy as that. Comment below. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then you know what else? Take care.